Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to turn Talkback on and give it what it needs to run. First, open Settings, go to Accessibility and enable Talkback. Alternatively, hold both volume keys if your phone supports the shortcut. Once enabled, grant the required permissions so Talkback can announce notifications and access text fields. Make sure your device is charged, and if possible, plug in headphones. This helps you hear prompts clearly while you work through the gestures and settings. Now focus on the navigation gestures that let you control your device. Use Explore by touch. Sweep your finger around the screen to hear element labels, then double-tap anywhere to activate the highlighted item. Swipe right or left to move the focus sequentially. Two-finger swipe scrolls content, and three-finger gestures jump between pages or containers. Once you practice these, you'll understand why Talkback separates selection from activation. Finish by customizing Talkback so it fits your workflow. Open Talkback settings to change verbosity, speech rate, and punctuation controls. Make sure keyboard echo and braille options match your needs. Practice typing and reading web pages using continuous reading or local context menus so actions become fluid. If something goes wrong, audio stops, or gestures feel off, check your media volume. Confirm the accessibility shortcut hasn't toggled Talkback off, and restart the device. That simple restart resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.